In today's video, I am going to teach you how to use the Meta Business Suite Planner. To begin, make sure you are already logged into Meta Business Suite. Once you are inside the dashboard, look to the left-hand navigation menu and click Planner. This will open the content calendar, where you can manage scheduled and published content for your connected accounts. After you click Planner, give the page a moment to load fully. Once the calendar appears, you will be able to review your existing content at a glance. This includes posts that have already been published, as well as posts that are scheduled for future dates. The planner is designed to help you stay organized, so take a moment to browse through the calendar and become familiar with what is already there. If the platform gives you the option, you can change the way the calendar is displayed. Look for the day, week, or month view and select the layout that works best for you. This can make it easier to focus on a single day, review a full week of content, or see your posting schedule across the entire month. When you are ready to add new content, choose the date and time you want to use. You can either click Create Post or select an empty time slot directly on the calendar. Both options will take you to the post creation screen. Next, create your post by entering your caption or text and adding any media you want to publish. This may include images, videos, or other supported content. Once your post details are in place, choose where the content should be published. You can select your Facebook page, your Instagram account, or both, depending on how you want the post to appear. After selecting the publishing destination, set the exact date and time for the post to go live. Review the information carefully to make sure everything is correct. When you are satisfied with the setup, click Schedule. This will place the post into your content calendar for the selected time. To confirm that everything has been saved properly, return to the planner. You should now see your scheduled post displayed on the calendar in the correct time slot. This is a quick way to verify that your content is ready to be published as planned. Thanks for watching. That covers everything you need to know.